So I already spoke about how ADOR pushed for more significant teeth in the injunction case, specifically looking to impose penalties should NJZ, aka NewJeans, do any kind of, entertainment or basically anything outside of the agreed upon contract, as it were. And yeah, I covered that, and I spoke how importantly they haven't done anything. This is, true for when this was agreed upon a couple days ago. The members are on hiatus. They haven't done anything. Now, what they have done is responded, and undoubtedly it's their legal team, and they responded specifically to this court ruling, again, that would impose a 1 billion Korean won fee for every instance of engaging in any kind of entertainment activity without the approval of ADOR. And in this official statement, they clarify, the NewJeans team clarifies, that the decision on the indirect compulsory enforcement was related to the previous injunction, March 21st, that had already prohibited the members from conducting independent activities, again, that they had already respected. And so the NJZ, aka NewJeans team, emphasized that this was, not a new court case. This was just part of the injunction that they've already appealed, and yeah, they are still waiting on that. So, quote, "The indirect compulsory decision announced today was made in response to an application submitted by ADOR on April 4th. It is not directly tied to the appeal of the original injunction, which is still under separate legal review." So their team continued that the court's decision is temporary until the appeal is resolved, and that if, the NJZ, aka NewJeans team, wins the injunction appeal, then both the original and the related indirect enforcement rulings will lose their legal effect. In practice, indirect enforcement is typically issued in conjunction with an injunction ruling. So again, in summation, they're basically saying this is just part of the ongoing injunction. They still have the appeal process for the injunction that is going ahead, and this isn't even including the second hearing in the contract case, which is undoubtedly the bigger case, and that will take place in just a few days on June 5th. So there's still a lot of legal news to come. I will keep you posted. If you have any questions or any thoughts, let me know in the comments.